The emergence of the 800G QSFP-DD 2FR4 optical module provides a more efficient data transmission solution for networks. The 800G QSFP-DD 2FR4 module employs 8x100 gigabits per second PAM4 modulation technology and supports a maximum data rate of 850 gigabits per second. Ethernet signals are transmitted through 4 wavelengths: 1271 nanometer, 1291, 1311 nanometer, and 3031 numbers. It enables the fiber link of 2 kilometers over single-mode fiber with dual duplex CS connectors. Let's explore 2 practical application scenarios next. The 800G QSFP-DD 2FR4 module, suitable for connecting to 800G switches with QDD ports. By using 2 CS duplex OS2 patch cables, you can easily interconnect 2 800G modules for switch-to-switch communication. If you want to establish low-speed connections, such as an 800G switch connects 2 400G switches, you can use 2 CS to LC duplex OS2 cables to connect the 800G QSFP-DD 2FR4 modules, achieving a conversion from high speed to low speed.